Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 45, jump game 2. So this is the medium level question. So in this question we are given a zero indexed array of integers, nums of length n, and you are initially positioned at index 0, and each element nums of I represents the maximum length of a forward jump from index I. And in other words, if you are at index I, so you can jump to any index I plus j where 0 less than or equal to j and less than or equal to nums of I and I plus j less than n, and then return the maximum number of jumps to reach index n minus 1. The test cases are generated such that you can reach index n minus 1. So basically, we are given an array nums where each element represents the maximum jumps length from that position. So our goal is to reach the last index using the minimum numbers of jumps. So for this question, important points are you start from index 0 and each value tells how far can jump. You must find the minimum jump. So as you can see, example, nums of 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. So our output was 2. Uh, because the minimum number of jumps to reach the last index is 2, and jump one step from index 0 to 1, then three steps to the last index. So for this example, at index 0 you can jump to index 1, 1 or 2. And then from index 1 you can jump up to index 4. So based path for index 0, 1, and then 4. So output was 2. As you can see, example number 2, output was 2. So let's start the code first. So first we take int jumps uh, is equal to 0 and uh, is equal to 0 and end is equal to 0, and then far is equal to 0. So uh, key variable is jumps and far. So jumps is the number of jumps who taken, and end was the end of the current range, and far is the farthest position who reachable. So next step was we take a for loop int I is equal to 0, and then I less than nums dot size minus 1, and then I plus plus. So this for loop travels till second last index because last index doesn't need a jump. So next step was far is equal to max of far I plus nums of I. So from the for this line, from the current index, calculate how far we go, and then uh, we check a range if I is equal to end. So if we reach end, so end of current range, so take a jump and update a new range. Jump plus plus and n is equal to far. So after this, we return jumps, jumps. So let's run this question first. After this, we go to the uh, it we go to the iteration step by step. As you can see, our answer was accepted. So let's go to the iteration walkthrough step by step. So first, let's take this example 23114. So started from jumps 0 0 and 0 and far 0. So our far max is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0. So 0 plus nums of I means 0 plus 2. So our answer was 2. So if uh, 0 is equal to 0, so this is a okay for this. So jumps 1 and end 2. So current range was 0 to 2 and iteration 1 max is equal to 2 and 1 plus 3. So our answer was 4. So uh, no required for jump. So this is the example what we are solving today. Let's submit this. As you can see, our answer was submitted. Thank you.